Now, again, we have 4 projects coming in. What's the probability that at least one project is high risk? Okay, at least one project is high risk. Again, we could enumerate all the different possibilities where we have 4 different projects and at least one of them is high risk. One of them in there, 2 of them, 3 of them, all 4 of them, but at least one is high risk. So let's think about what are the possibilities out of 4 for us to have a high risk, for us to count the number of high risk projects in 4 projects. We could have none of them are high risk, 1 of them is high risk out of the 4, 2 of them, 3 of them, or all 4 of them. Okay? And what we want to answer in this question, what's the probability that at least one project is high risk, is this set right here. Okay? 1 of them could be, 2 of them, 3, or all 4 of them could be high risk. And each one of those probabilities sums up to answer the question that we want. But this could take us all day to enumerate all these possibilities. Of course, we can just take the complement of this one down here. Okay? So we can find what's the probability that there are no high-risk projects in the 4, and then take the complement of that. Okay? So let's find the event of not a high-risk project in one of the projects. Okay, here's one. And in the next one, not high risk. And the third one is not high risk. And the fourth one is not high risk. Okay, that gives us this. But we want to find this one. So to do that, we have to take the complement of the whole thing. Okay? So this gives us 1 minus the probability of this thing in here. H complement and H complement and H complement and H complement. Okay? Individually, what's the probability of H complement? If we string all these together, that's the probability of H complement times the probability of H complement times the probability of H complement times the probability of H complement. Okay? So what's the probability of H complement? That is the complement of this, 1 minus 0.08. 1 minus 0.08 is 0.92. 0.92 multiplied by itself 4 times is 0.92 to the 4th. So 1 minus 0.92 to the 4th gives us 0.2836. So what's the probability of these 4 projects that come in? At least one of those projects is high risk, 0.2836.